So you're using ChatGPT or maybe another AI to write your content, but you don't really know how to humanize it, and that's exactly why you're here. But look at this. If you copy this AI-generated content from ChatGPT or any other sources, then test it on a few different AI checkers, GPTZero. Look at that, it shows 100% AI generated. I tried this same content on 3 different tools and every single one gave the same result. So what's really happening? AI tools might edit or rewrite your text, but they all share the same structure, the same style, and the same digital fingerprint. Throughout this video, firstly, you'll learn how to use AI itself to humanize another AI's writing, then using the best AI tools that actually work for your content. And lastly, which is the most important part of this video, how you can actually do it yourself so you never have to depend on any paid AI humanizer again. Let's go. And listen, before I give you the keys to the kingdom, if you appreciate that I'm digging deep to find these kinds of secrets, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and ring that little bell. It's completely free for you. So open your ChatGPT or any other AI source you're using to generate text. Then open your Chrome browser and click the GPTZero link in the description. Copy your AI text, paste it into the box, click scan, and wait a few seconds. Boom, scan finished, and it shows 100% AI generated. But wait, what should we do now? You shouldn't let AI decide everything for you. Remember, AI is detecting AI, and it can still make mistakes. Let's try another one and see if we get a different result. Click the next link in the description and open GPTNote AI Detector. Paste the same text and click Detect. Again, the result says AI generated around 65% this time. So at this point, what should you do? Step 1. Use AI to humanize AI content. Copy the text from ChatGPT and head over to Deepseek AI, because that one's powerful. The English is super clear, the grammar is clean, and it adds a bit of complexity that I actually like. I guarantee, if you use Deepseek, you'll break through that first stage of AI detection. Open Deepseek, create an account if you don't have one, and paste your text. Then ask it to rewrite the content, but don't forget to enable R1 deep thinking. It's important if you want a good result. Once it's done, copy that new text and let's check it again. First, go to the Quillbot AI detector link in the description, paste the text and scan. Wait a moment. And wow, it shows 100% human. But hold up, let's test another one to be sure. Click the summarize.org AI detector link, paste the same text and scan again. And this time, it shows 100% AI generated. Now this is interesting. One says 100% human, another says 100% AI, and others give random percentages, 65%, 78%, whatever. So what's going on? Simple. These detectors aren't perfect. They all read text differently, but don't worry. I'll show you how to solve that right now. That's the second part. Use the best AI detector that also helps you humanize directly inside the app, and it's 100% free. There are 2 I recommend. The first one is summarize.org. After you detect, click Humanize AI and it will take you to a new page. Verify you're not a robot, wait a second, and boom, everything becomes 100% human-made, 0% AI content. The second one, and my personal favorite, is GPTNote's AI Detector Humanizer. Click the link in the description, paste your text, and click Detect AI. Wait a few seconds and boom, the result comes out great, around 14.17% AI generated and 85.83% human-made. You can run it one more time to clean up anything that's left, but remember, sometimes even these won't be perfect, and that's why it's very important to learn how to humanize content manually by yourself. Which brings us to the final part. This section is based on insights from Cloud Assess. I'll leave the article link in the description if you want to explore more. When you're trying to figure out if something was written by AI or a real person, here are the key signs to watch for. 1. Over-polished or perfectly structured text. AI writes in neat, balanced paragraphs with perfect grammar and rhythm. Real writing has variation, some short, some long, and more emotion in the flow. 2. Lack of personal touch. AI doesn't feel or live. If a text sounds too flat or neutral, that's a red flag. 3. Surface-level insights. AI summarizes ideas, but humans connect them to experience, emotion, and stories. 4. Logical gaps or contradictions. AI often gives both sides of an argument but never really chooses one or connects them smoothly. 5. Fake or suspicious sources. Sometimes AI just invents references or data. Always verify anything that looks too perfect. 6. Sudden change in writing style. If someone's writing suddenly becomes much more formal or structured, AI might be involved, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. My name is Eldnight, and I make more practical, real videos like this to help you get better with AI tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.